So the Confetti Table Runner, this you're gonna do 6 of these blocks.
Okay.
Then you're gonna do 6 of these going angle to angle, or corner to corner. On our center is gonna be a 14-inch piece.
If you don't want a llama, you can do whatever.
I found the easiest way on how to put it together was to make it into the 3 sections.
So this is where it's just a little bit tricky.
We're just gonna lay these out. I found it was easier to make the 3 sections.
Okay.
That will go in that corner at the top. Now we are just going to attach our 2 sides. And again, tempting to make it match.
It is tempting. It is tempting. Don't do that at home.
Don't make it match. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna match our seam right here.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so we've got it.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Yeah.